Hi everyone. Today we'll be showing you how to import a data adapter from the VoltMX marketplace into Volt Foundry. Data adapters act as bridges between your Volt Iris app and data sources through Volt Foundry. With these adapters, you can easily connect to a wide variety of backend systems. This opens up endless integration possibilities from real-time weather data, conversational interfaces, and payment gateways to accessing data from RESTful APIs and much more. In this video, we'll guide you through importing a data adapter from the VoltMX marketplace and using it to create integration services for your applications. Let's get started. We can either access the marketplace directly from the Foundry console or visit the VoltMX marketplace website and download the desired data adapter. Firstly, we need to sign in to HCL Foundry. From the left navigation menu, select API Management and click on Custom Data Adapters. We'll see an import option here. Click on the import button and choose import from HCL Forge. Alternatively, if we have downloaded the data adapter manually from the VoltMX marketplace website, in the import data adapter dialog box, click on browse to import. For now, we'll import from Forge. A dialog listing all available data adapters will open where we can choose the one we need. Select the data adapter and click on import to add it to Foundry. After the data adapter has been imported into Volt Foundry, we can use it to create an integration service. Go to API Management again and select Integration. To create a new service, click the plus button or the Configure New button. Alternatively, we can also create a Foundry app and create an integration service inside it. On the Service Definition tab in the Service type, select the adapter we imported. Give the service a name and click Save and Add Operations. After we create the integration service, we can create and execute operations using the service. Once the service is selected, navigate to the Operations List tab. From the drop-down list, select the operations we need and click Add Operation. In the Operations List tab under the Configured Operations section, select the operation we want to test. On the operation page, in the Request Input tab, enter test values for all the fields. Here we are adding the API key and host test values. Select an application runtime environment and click Save and Fetch Response to execute a test based on the inputs. As with any other services in Volt Foundry, we need to publish an app to a runtime environment before a Voltiris app can invoke it. And that's how you can integrate and execute operations with the data adapter in Volt Foundry. To summarize, in this video, we covered how to import a data adapter from the VoltMX marketplace into Volt Foundry. We started by briefly explaining the role of data adapters in connecting your Volt Iris apps to backend systems and walked through the process of importing a data adapter, either directly through Volt Foundry or by uploading a downloaded file from the marketplace. We also demonstrated how to create an integration service using the adapter and outlined the steps to create and test operations within Volt Foundry. That's all for this tutorial. You can sign up for a free trial and access VoltMX training resources using the on-screen QR codes. Don't forget to check the description for more relevant links and resources to help you get started.